Hi, my name is Adnan and our company is located in Chicago, Illinois. This is our AccTek laser machine, model number AKJ1325. We use it to make our whiz kit. As you can see, the machine does a beautiful job. What we like about the AccTek machines is they're very high quality at an affordable price. Their support is always available, and it's just a quality machine overall. Here's just an example of some of the cuts that we did with the machine. As you see, they're very nice and crystal clear. The machine has an 80-watt laser.